Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you gathered here today. It's my absolute pleasure and honor to be your host for this special occasion as we celebrate the most selfless, nurturing, and powerful force on earth, our mothers. Today is more than just a date on the calendar. It's a heartfelt reminder of love, sacrifice, and strength of the women who raised us, guided us, and continue to inspire us every single day. Before we begin, let's take a moment to thank all the mothers present here. Your love is the heartbeat of our families. Your words are comfort, and your support is our strength. तेरे बिना जीवन की राह कैसे होती माँ तेरे बिना तो खुशियाँ भी अधूरी Let's give yourself a big round of applause, please. We have put together a delightful program today filled with love, laughter, and fun. From heartfelt performances and emotional tributes to joyful songs and dances, each part of today's event is dedicated to honoring the mothers who make our lives beautiful. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the celebration because today is all about you. To begin this, I request mothers to come up with their children and join us for the round walk. Please send the children outside and mothers please take initiative, come up and do the round walk. Show us your fantastic news. Come on, mothers, stand up. Come on. Mothers, please sit down. Only two mothers stand up and come. Abdullah, bring your mobile with you. Stand for Maria and her mama. Zeta and Wally. Harika. All in order. From Kalani, Shama. Harika and Kavi's mother, please join us. Thank you everyone for showing us your most passionate. I request all the students to go back to the classes for the blindfold. Only 5 mothers at a time, and this one is only for class nursery and KG mothers. Come on, please, class nursery and KG mothers, come. You will be blind. For this, you will be blindfolded and you have to recognize your child by touching their hand. You'll get only one chance to touch every child's hand and you have to recognize your child amongst the others. आपको ब्लाइंडफोल्ड कर दिया जाएगा. आपको सभी बच्चों में से अपने बच्चे का हैंड टच करके उसे पहचानना है. आपको हर बच्चे का हैंड टच करने का एक ही चांस मिलेगा एंड यू हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज योर ओन चाइल्ड.
पहचान नहीं.
Let's clap for these wonderful mothers who have recognized their children very well. Now, for second round, I would like to call Stuti, Eklavya, Wali, Aksar, Saif, and Arhan sir. उनके साथ हम लोग को भी बच्चा बनना पड़ता है। Anyone else? You have that. Come on, come on.
अच्छी है जी।
The last one is the ball. अच्छा, who has already thought of an answer? Can anybody tell me? Let's clap for Adri's mother for answering and taking this question such a step.
आज ऐसी दुनिया में कोई नहीं, मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड मेरी माँ। थोड़ी सी क्यूट है, थोड़ी सी करारी भी, थोड़ी सी कूल है, थोड़ी सी पुरानी भी। जैसे गर्मी में ठंडा सा शरबत, खट्टा मीठा सा, जैसे सर्दी में चाहत का कोई कंबल मोटा सा। मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है। मुश्किल में होती हूँ अभी मेरी रोती है, खुशी में भी मेरी वो दुपट्टा भिगोती है। एक एक आंसू में दुआएं पिरोती हैं, कोई बता क्या है अम्मी ऐसी होती है। मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है, मेरी अम्मी जो है।
Such a heartwarming performance. Class nursery, move to your class, and now class KG is coming up with a delightful performance on the song Janam Janam. Now, can anybody answer me the previous question? What's the craziest thing you have ever done as a mom? Do you have answer for it?
To play with us, I had to become a zombie.
Oh, you had to become a zombie. Very nice. Let's clap for Zainab's mother.
दुनिया रब को मना ले मंदिर मज़ारों तक जाती है घर में ही मेरे होता है तीरथ मुझको नजर जब माँ आती है मुझको नजर जब माँ आती है जन्म जन्म तो मेरी अरदास माँ जन्म जन्म तो मेरा एहसास माँ सच का पता दिल में ही है पर मुझको ये पता मेरे दिल में थी कोई बात मेरी माँ मेरे दिल में थी कोई बात मेरी माँ
Now it's time for class prep who are ready to get you all emotional with the dance performance on the song Ma Meri Ma. Okay, another question for you. Please tell us your favorite memory with your child. I know many of you can answer this question. Please tell us your favorite memory with your child. I will come to everyone who can answer. You have a-
She was saying me first time with Mama.
That's a favorite.
Yes.
That's really wonderful. Anybody else? Come on, tell us your favorite memory.
Only then when you answer the first time after you get the best thing.
Playing with her at the beach, she enjoyed a lot. And then Mama hold me at, or the water to take me away from it.
I know about this. She also told me. Okay, let's clap for them and Anshua, please.
मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ ओ माँ मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी हो खुदा पे भी असर तू दुआओं का है घर मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ मम्मा ओ माँ मेरी माँ प्यारी माँ मम्मा यूं तो मैं सबसे न्यारा हूँ तेरा माँ मैं दुलारा हूँ यूं तो मैं सबसे न्यारा हूँ पर तेरा माँ मैं दुलारा हूँ दुनिया में जीने से ज्यादा उलझन है माँ
performance. Please clap one more time. Now, twist your tongue. Tangle your top with tongue twister. One more tongue twister. Betty Potter bought some butter. 5 times. Betty Potter bought some butter. Come on.
In one breath they have to. In one breath.
Betty Potter bought some butter.
Betty Potter bought some butter.
Betty Potter bought some butter. Betty Potter bought some butter. Betty Potter bought some butter. Betty Potter bought some butter. Betty Potter bought some butter.
Very good. Please wait. Last brother, please wait. We also have a gift for you. Let's clap for her again. Time for one more game. Ball in the basket. You have to stand in front of the basket and your child will be holding the basket. You have to put the balls in the basket. For this, you have 1 minute. The basket that have maximum number of balls will be the winner. 3, 2, 1, start.
No, Musa, keep your basket there. Keep it like
Oh.
this. Musa, keep it like this only. Musa, no. Musa, please. Musa, leave. Let's clap for them. Everyone clap. Mama, you should back, please shift. They are going to forward. Our hands, mother, please, mom, please, back. That's it. Stop. 1 minute.
Time for counting. Come on, teachers, let's count. Who is the winner? 11 Okay, so we have Harika's mother as the winner for this game. Let's clap for her. Please press to mom comment. Gift. Lots of effort and has prepared few lines for their mothers. Please welcome Samar Pratap Singh.
Samar, go, man is calling.
Good morning everyone, my name is Good morning everyone, my name is Sama Pratap Singh. I wrote for mommy, read and read on Mother's Day. At your feet each petal say I love you so. In my heart you are the brightest glow. Thank Happy Mother's Day.
Irza, please come up and say few words for your mother.
Good morning everyone, my name is Saraswati. I love my mom. On my heart, she's the best mom. Right from the start. She loves me so much every day. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. That special day. my nappy things. They fix my bug and give me wings. Her smile is sunshine. Her heart is good. I will love you even I am old. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you everyone.
Let's call Bilal.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bilal Khan. For me, my is so bright. It's my day and night. I love making her happy. To happy Mother's Day, Mom. I love you.
Time for Arham. Please come up.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arham. And mommy is our strong and true. She take care of me too and she take care of me too and she really can come to life. Mommy, I love you, mommy, with all my mind. Happy Mother's Day.
Let's clap for. Time for Zainab.
Good morning everyone. My name is Zainab Saeed Kirmani. My mommy is the best CP. She gives me biggest hugs to me. Her smile shines bright like the sun. I love her more than anyone. Happy Mother's Day.
Such sweet messages for our dear mothers. Let's clap one more time. कहते हैं ना, तकलीफ में माँ के सिवा कोई नहीं खड़ा, इसलिए माँ से बड़ा कोई नहीं. Time for another game. Now you have to play with cups and balloons. You will be given a balloon. You have to blow it, put it in the cup and pick up that cup with the help of balloon and put that cup into another. You have only 30 seconds for this game. क्या है जो आपने सोचा था, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं मम्मा बनके ये नहीं करूँगी, पर आपने वो किया. ऐसा कुछ है?
When Arhan was born, so I decided I will not give him mobile because Amani was addicted. But I have to give him. Now he has been addicted. He's been addicted.
There's a fine line they have to draw between giving the phone. Now,
अपनी खुशियों को सेटिस्फाई.
that's really good. Let's clap for both of us.
With the wires. I used to do the wires. Anybody can.
You have to do it like this. Please see very carefully.
Like this only you have to do.
Okay. And you have only 30 seconds for this game. Please come up. Please, 6 mothers, come up. No second round, so please, 6 mothers, come up.
Please be quick for this. Ma'am, one will stand here and one will stand.
3, 2, 1, stop. Will be the winner. For this, you have to place the cups upside down. Please come up. 3, 2, 1, stop.
Ma'am, please don't touch. Let them do on their own. And the highest star will get the prize, right? Tell ma'am, that highest prize star will
Be stable with the highest star. Stand like
The highest star will get the prize.
manage to. यहाँ से
So that's the fun of this game. It will keep on falling and you have to rebuild it again and again. It will test your patience a lot. Time's up.
Keep the tie independent, everybody. Time is up.
You give it this. We can do one more round with 8 glasses. You can do 2 glasses. And it should be 8 glasses. Wait, ma'am. Keep it like this, ma'am. This is included in your time.
Three, 2, 1, start.
Ma'am, एक चीज़ है, first you have to give this. Ma'am, Sans mother, ma'am, first one you have to, yes. Mama, please correct. Ma'am, first one you have to.
Please on कर दीजिए.
मेरे तकदीर में एक भी गम नहीं होता अगर मेरे तकदीर लिखने का हक मेरी माँ को होता। आज मैं मेरी माँ के लिए कुछ गाना चाहूँगा।
Today is Mother's Day. This is a very special day for not only me, for everybody here. And with the children performance, actually it is not a performance. It is we who is performing. That is why everybody, so many people have tears in their eyes, because this is our emotions. Actually it is not a performance. ये हमारे दिल में है, हमारे जान है, जो कि जो है हमको करके दिखा रहे हैं. हमारी अगर एक बार तारीफ भी करते हो तो ये हमारी बहुत बड़ी बात है. तारीफ तो वो तारीफ नहीं है, एक्चुअली वो मेरा बॉडी पार्ट है. तो वो अगर कुछ कह रहा है तो वो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात. लाइक मेरे लिए तो माँ के लिए बहुत बड़ी इज्जत है मेरे नज़रों में. और ऑफ कोर्स ये बहुत बिल्कुल सही सेंटेंस है कि माँ के पैरों में जन्नत होती है. तो बच्चों की जन्नत तो माँ के पैरों में ही होती है. और जो मदर्स के अंदर जो फीलिंग है अगर आप जाहिर करना चाहते हैं, ये बहुत अच्छा मौका है. यू कैन कम एंड शेयर योर फीलिंग्स विद अस, बिकॉज ये मौके बार बार नहीं आते. कल को आपका बच्चा 1 साल और बड़ा हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट मदर्स डे पे. तो दिस इज द राइट टाइम व्हेन यू कैन कम अप एंड स्पीक फॉर योर चाइल्ड, speak your emotions, share your feelings, and then it can be one of the cherishable moment for you. Okay, let's talk right now. Let's see what we can do.